Welcome back to the channel. I have two new stunning art glass aromatherapy diffusers to show you today. Stay tuned to find out more. So I have several aromatherapy diffusers around the house. Some I use just for the light, the pretty color changing light, some for the mist, some for the to add essential oils. And these are just so lovely that they wouldn't even have to be turned on. They're pretty even when off. I'll show you that in a minute. But they're beautiful when they're in color changing mode. And I will also dim the lights and show that to you. They put out quite a bit of mist. It's 100 milliliters of water. So these art glass diffusers come in 3 colors. This is the gray, and I think this is called gold powder. But as you can see, they're a blend of colors, and they are handmade glass, so no two are alike. No two are exactly alike. Here on the box, you can see an example of the 3rd color, which I believe they call green, but kind of looks more yellow to me. And let's see the name of the company. And I believe it's pronounced Puseayz. These have a 7-color LED light inside. And let me show you the controls. The first press will cycle through the colors, the second press will stay on a particular color, and the third one will turn off the light. Pretty standard controls along the front bottom of the unit. The tank holds 100 milliliters of water. It does have a timer and an auto shut off. 100 milliliters is a good size if you want to use it for an essential oil diffuser because the larger tanks tend not to emit the essential oils throughout the cycle. So to add water, you just lift up the glass and the little plastic piece, and there is water in there now. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so I turn these back on. I've got the controls around the back so I can reach it easily. One nice thing about this diffuser also is it's lovely all the way around, 360. A little different everywhere you look at it. But as I mentioned before, they're really attractive when they're off. But when they're on, they're spectacular. Now, I've got them in color changing mode, and I'm going to dim the lights a little bit so you can get a better look at them. Although, now I do have another diffuser that is just spectacular when all the lights are out, but it's kind of unremarkable in the normal light. These are pretty, very pretty. I mean, the colors really stand out, even here with a relatively bright light. I was going to dim the lights so you could take a look at the colors, but I think these are visible enough in normal light, unlike some diffusers, unlike some color changing diffusers where you really have to dim the lights to appreciate the color. I don't think it's necessary with this. So I'm going to start with this one, turn it off, and run through the colors. Okay, there's the first press, which appears to be a white light that highlights the gray. And then the red. So if you like that color, you can just leave it there. You can keep pressing. This is a deep blue on indigo. And the green. Very lovely purple, green, kind of an aqua blue. And back to the white light, which highlights the gray, which is a very fashionable color now in decors. Turn that one off. Actually, I'll leave that running through the colors. I'll look at the other one. Okay, so there it is, off. Looks like a very pretty face. And the first press. It appears to be a white light that just highlights the different tones of variations, which almost like a teal and a maroon. Another press, oh, it's a deep red. Very pretty. Ooh, this one's nice. All different shades of blue, purple, and the green. And that appears to be purple and blue, or mauve, I guess. The green. Not sure what my favorite is. Guess it would depend on my mood. So I really like these diffusers. I think I'm going to use them a lot just for the light, or just appreciate the attractiveness when they're turned off. But they do provide a lot of mist. So I probably use them for aromatherapy essential oil as well. So the user manual has some basic information about how to fill the unit, how to clean it, and a little troubleshooting guide. So what I like about these a lot, as I mentioned before, is that they're very beautiful whether they're turned on or off, whether they're running or not. And I like the fact that they're handmade glass, and there's some, they're individualistic, they're all just slightly different. So these are the Art Glass Aromatherapy Diffusers from Puseayz. Please check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.